Morning students, we discussed about what are rational numbers and properties of rational numbers till yesterday. We learned today one more interesting topic, that is rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Now for example, if you take 2 and 7, there are 3, 4, 5 and 6 are the fixed numbers between them. Now is it fixed in case of rational numbers? Now let us see. If you take 2 and 3, how many rational numbers are there between them? Now we will find. Now here you write 2 in the form of p by q, that is 2 by 1. Now the numerator and denominator you multiply by a fixed number. Here I took 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 1 2s are 2. If the numerator and denominator of a fraction is multiplied by a fixed number, the resultant fraction is called equivalent fraction. So 4 by 2 is equal to 2 here. Now write in 3 in the form of p by q, that is 3 by 1. Again numerator and denominator multiply by the same fixed number 2. 3 2s are 6 and 1 2s are 2. Where this 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Now you observe here 4 by 2 and 6 by 2 are like fractions. Observe the numerator 4 and 6. What is the whole number between 4 and 6? 5. So what is the rational number in between 4 by 2 and 6 by 2? Which is 5 by 2. Where this 5 by 2 is lies in between 2 and 3. Now let us multiply with another fixed number 10. 2 by 1 into 10 by 10. So 2 tens are 20, 1 tens are 10. 3 by 1 into 10 by 10. 3 tens are 30 and 1 tens are 10. Where this 20 by 10 is equal to 2 and 30 by 10 is equal to 3. Here both are like fractions. See the numerators 20 and 30. What are the whole numbers between 20 and 30? 21, 22, 23, 24 and so on up to 29. Then what are the rational numbers between these two? 21 by 10, 22 by 10, 23 by 10, 24 by 10, 25 by 10, 26 by 10, 27 by 10, 28 by 10, 29 by 10. It means there are 9 rational numbers in between 2 and 3. Now let us multiply with 100. 2 by 1 into 100 by 100. 2 hundreds are 200, 1 hundreds are 100. 3 by 1 into 100 by 100. 3 hundreds are 300, 1 hundreds are 100. Where this 2 by 100 is equal to 2, 300 by 100 is equal to 3. Now again both are like fractions. See the numerators 200 and 300. What are the whole numbers between 201, 202, 203 and so on up to 299. So the rational numbers in between these two, we have 201 by 100, 202 by 100, 203 by 100 and so on 299 by 100. It means that there are 99 rational numbers in between 2 and 3. Now we'll multiply with 1000. 2 by 1 into 1000 by 1000. 2 thousands are 2000, 1 thousands are 1000. 3 by 1 into 1000 by 1000. 3 thousands are 3000, 1 thousands are 1000. Now here where this 2000 by 1000 equal to 2, 3000 by 1000 equal to 3. Now again both are like fractions. In between 2000 and 3000 we have the whole numbers 2001, 2002, 2003 and so on up to 2999. So we have the rational numbers in between these two: 2001 by 1000, 2002 by 1000, 2003 by 1000 and so on up to 2999 by 1000. It means that when you multiply by 1000, there are 999 rational numbers in between 2 and 3. Now, as the number with which we multiply the given rational number increases, the number of rational numbers are also increases. So from this we can say that there are infinitely many rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Children, our today's concept is finding rational numbers between two rational numbers 2 and 3 using mean method. How to do in mean method? Just we are using average technique here. Average means we divide the sum of observations by number of observations. Now here we find the mean of 2 and 3 first. So add 2 and 3. As we are adding two numbers, we divide by 2. So 2 plus 3, 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is a rational number in between 2 and 3 we got in step 1. This 5 by 2 is exactly in between 2 and 3. Now we find the mean of 2 and 5 by 2 first. Next we find the mean of 5 by 2 and 3. Then we get two more rational numbers in step 2. Now first we find 2 plus 5 by 2. As we are adding two numbers, we divide by 2. 2 means here 2 by 1. So here LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2, so 2 2s are 4, plus 2 times 1 is 2, 1 5s are 5. This we are dividing by 2. 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 by 2 divided by 2 means it is 2 by 1. Now 9 by 2, change division symbol into multiplication symbol. 2 by 1 reciprocal is 1 by 2. Now 9 1s are 9 by 2 2s are 4. Now here 9 by 4 is a rational number in between 2 and 5 by 2. Now we find again mean of 5 by 2 and 3. 5 by 2 plus 3 means 3 by 1 whole by 2. Now LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2, so 1 5s are 5, plus 1 times 2 is 2, so 2 3s are 6, divided by 2. Now here 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 by 2 divided by 2 by 1. Now 11 by 2. This division symbol change into multiplication symbol. Reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. So 11 1s are 11, 2 2s are 4. Now here 11 by 4 is another rational number. Now this 9 by 4 and 11 by 4 are two rational numbers in between 2 and 3. This 9 by 4 is exactly in between 2 and 5 by 2. 9 by 4. Now here 11 by 4 is exactly in between 5 by 2 and 3. Now we find the mean of 2 and 9 by 4 first. Next 9 by 4 and 11 by 4. Last we find the mean of 11 by 4 and 3. Then we get 3 more rational numbers in step 3. 2 plus 9 by 4 whole by 2. 2 means it is by 1. Now LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4, so 4 2s are 8, plus 4 times 1 is 4, so 1 9s are 9, divided by 2. 8 plus 9, 17 by 4 divided by 2 by 1. Now 17 by 4, change division into multiplication symbol. Reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. 17 1s are 17, 4 2s are 8. Now 17 by 8 is a rational number in between 2 and 9 by 4. Now next find the mean of 9 by 4 and 11 by 4. 9 by 4 plus 11 by 4 whole by 2. Now as these two are like fractions, 9 plus 11, 20 by 4 divided by 2, by 1 it is. So 20 by 4 into reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. So simplify here, 4 1s, 4 5s, 5 1s are 5 and 1 2s are 2. So 5 by 2 is a rational number in between 9 by 4 and 11 by 4. Next we find the mean of 11 by 4 and 3. So add 11 by 4 and 3 and divide by 2. 3 means it is by 1. Now the LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 1 11s are 11. 1 times 4 is 4. So 4 3s are 12. Divided by 2. Now 11 plus 12 is 23 by 4 divided by 2. It is by 1. Now 23 by 4. Change division into multiplication symbol. Reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. 23 ones are 23, 4 twos are 8. Now here we got 23 by 8. Now here this 17 by 8 is exactly in between 2 and 9 by 4. Now 5 by 2 is in between 9 by 4 and 11 by 4. Already we have. Now 23 by 8 is exactly in between 11 by 4 and 3. Now in this mean method also we go on inserting infinitely many rational numbers between two rational numbers. Now in general we say that if a and b are any two rational numbers, then a plus b by 2 is a rational number between them. Now with this I end today's session. Thank you.